Tina Butak Sangani summer party more like ANC, alcohol, notansi. OD's only drunk get gas. Just imagine what an overdose is for Udaki.
Hey.
People against condomizing Mzansi should be PAC cause they pack party. Being sugar miss Samagazi call me IFP in the physics party. A DP means donate to poverty to Tagonja Shagi party go to Salala Party. Haguna Tiniso Bavana Magasi cause the TRC means to rob the country. Amapuraya Zenzela Makasi NNP means New Nigerian plus he. It's like Angolo Tigila. Your favorite writer is Ghostwriter, hip hop.
Yeah.
Umlindom, my brother, so rest in peace. Pro Kid.
You used to call it no Pro Kid.
And I hate to hate now, but which is a bunker. Never lost the battle. If there's a rapper who's taking me out, they can come out and say.
So
never Linda Pro was in a group called Pretty Ugly.
Pretty Ugly.
Yeah, it was him and Pretty Ugly. He probably got that name there. Rapping team. That's rapping team. Yeah, I changed. I have a Lee Club. Who plays Bionic? Ready D. Was it? Now Dallas Lewis done.
I'm a better man winning.
Always.
He never lost a battle.
Never lost.
But he had a battle with Pro.
I'm fine.
So that means
I always took cats out.
You also
big thing.
Madam, check her out.
Yes,
Let's tell her one.
from Take 5, then what? What is this? Gabriel, yeah, I was doing Gabriel at the time. Yeah, by the time we figured out Emily, we say it was like my third presenting kid.
Yeah.
Take 5, man. I was presenting a young apart. Take 5, that's when I started doing, and then I felt it like move on. So I started to get Gabriel. In Gabriel, that's when I was like, okay, now I'm taking it serious. So when I went to Germany, that was after I had already now I had an album.
Tell us the life here, HMA. Tell them in the time.
I went off on my press.
No, I just I'm for no was.
I was a seller. When Holo Gula, when Sassi Scalamar, when Holo Gula, some of the parents.
You
Sligado. Number 1, Shangan Sligado. No level, smacks.
Yeah.
But I think in ventilation, but shy management.
Yeah.
But the thing was managing. People hear me, nobody. You were the two. It was me and Bali. Who's this chick? Yeah. The first guy I play called Connect. No, Peter Lynch. Because we were manager in the squad.
The squad camp.
Yeah, it was Zulma. And at the time, Proverb, my nigga was there.
On the auditions.
I got suspended Red Pep.
Oh, Red Pep.
It was still at Red Pep. But you know, Pro. Nigga, Burp is always behind the scenes. Actually, after the show was, they say it paid. Like actually, you know, it was a special. But when an artist is a presenter, so artist my presenter. But fuck, I'm an artist. It's like it was a. I understand. I believe Emily figure saying we are New York, Baba. He says we go show Zuluminati.
Zuluminati. Okay. Zuluminati. How did Zuluminati came about, ne? And why did you decide to name it Zuluminati?
Sony is this dope ass producer you have, but you reach Illuminati. Can I want Illuminati right now, ne? The Illumination.
Yeah.
The secret society, right?
Yeah.
The Freemasons. And all.
Yeah.
Well, coming back from New York, there were some things that we witnessed that I can't go into major detail about the secret society and who's behind what, where, with how everything runs. They exist and knowing what they do as a movement, you know, the brotherhood. And I can say that was my exit. When I came back and I said, Izululinati. It was more a choice of like, it's stating which, are you godly or ungodly or whatever. So I choose to say, that's how I made my exit after what I saw, the Big Apple. So now I decided I'm quitting music because I'm not going to sell myself. You want the money, the fame, they can give you everything you want.
So how do they come for someone who's watching? What's a Freemason?
The money, the fame, they've got the power. That's what the Freemason. Why do you want clarity? Because clarity will get you in danger.
We like.
I came up with gospel rap.
Yeah.
Remember, that is why I chose to leave everything at the peak. I don't think I've never met anyone who's done what I did, actually.
Yeah.
Because people wondered, it was, dude, when everything was bombing,
You up there?
I was endorsed by Nike at the time, remember?
You endorsed-
Nike, yeah.
Bobhatola Nike.
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 Nike, a concept store. Bengagqokile Nike leyo literally besine concept store. La bexpana abona abo Ricky the Boys and Bucks.
Yeah.
Ricky Boys and Bucks, abo Makolite. Those were my stylists at the time, but under management. I had nice payments and endorsements and everything, but I chose to leave all of that when I came back from New York after Zuluminati.
Okay, before I wanted to go back to New York. How much were you making a month?
Quite a lot because I was living in Morningside.
Umuntu othathe Illuminati ubonakala kanjani?
Prepared. He's quality, but he's unhappy, I can tell. They don't sleep, these niggas. They know themselves when we ask. They know to take your soul and move it from your body and bite Kenya Koporing someone else. You know that?
Chima Chekho, there was something that's trending where he went to Nigeria and he spoke about like Abompura na Bukila Kaubaya Pila.
But basically, yeah, it does. It's very, 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 very real. But now I'm not saying it kabao. I'm saying it of others. I know of other record label contract. You didn't read the fine print, but it basically said it's a 360 deal. I own everything that you do within this cause. Because you want to be rich and famous, you're sign. Guess what happens? I'm Jenny in the door. Like, what cares? No, what cares? But no. Now that they're independent, what Questa now? You see, Questa is a perfect right here example. But by the time he left for a penny ventilation, check my last episode, like I'm saying goodbye, bye, 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 bye. Yeah, I was me saying goodbye to their money, not to the verses. Oh, Heavenly Father, forgive me for my sins, all of the wrongs, the evil little things, pain, of course, to every living being, everything that I wrote there.
Even that rhyming.
Give me the knowledge so I can really grow. Give me the knowledge so I can really grow. Give me the positivity. Help me live a legacy. I check like Manku Tembi said. There's a check that I did. You must check it out, just like Tembi.
Just like Tembi.
Yeah,
check it out. Yeah.
It's me, DJ Cleo, no Tembi we're rapper, yeah. Oh, the way she sings is on the other album. No, on the album there's a track that I even wrote to that. You know, I wanna lose my body. That is, you won't tell Uchi Palo or someone else though. I write any art director.
Yeah.
So I get booked into the studio, just wait forever and you figure out when you hire my services with you, I've got this artist in Tembi. Then we give the art direction to the track with image how it's gonna go, your tone, your sound, so that was my passion. Really ubricks uthanda ukubhlomana. She's darling uyabhlomana ubigala. Uzolacha mfana masibhlomana ulacha one way.
Yeah.
One way manje leya. Yabona mfana ma-underpeni wena. Hayi wena mfana awuchange. Bathenga amantombazana ayihlale kufika wena. Wabona leyo. Change underpeni. Ma-underpeni. Yabona ukhuluma ngaleyo ndaba. Yabona wena mfana ngiyakutshela wena. Ubrigado. Mawubeke leyo bari uzolacha blind. So ubricks mfana. Ubrigado then took Obrigado. Wathatha Obrigado's feelings like, oh, and then he was stubborn. Yeah, and then Obrigado was born. Then Ubricks was born.
Yeah. Yes.
H dog, the dopest of the dopest. Young John, now layout is therapy Africado, man. Fix my preliminary layout to be therapeutic, guys, for my name. You not be fucked when your soul is now sticked up to the devil's earth. Oh, K1. Ntwana yami besenzani uQuesta I used to ntwana yami bengisahlala uMondo la ngoba ngirentiye uMondo eBluecam Lane sibe 2-bedroom set so uQuesta ahlala eGatle home travel yabona bemeli sihlale siyomlanda ngadalo sleepless snacks Gatle home to travel so bekahlala nami basically was living the same mana kaQuesta bekazibiza Quest into bekathi something Quest yabo ngikhumbula
singakancane
biscuit ite wena senzo biscuit you want what Quest egama langikhinya sigayigama la hayi igama la hayi kuyokuzoba
bekasesena le voice le
so njalo khona ilanga ngicela ukuthi sishaye tour Sprite Hip Hop Tour nabo Stigare le basketball mangiyolandela ikholi athi thina ngicela ukuzele istonda wena Mr. Bide kwethu